On Thursday, I dry fit the man door to see how it will fit, and although it's tight, it's going to be about perfect. On Sunday, I actually install the man door. Normally this would be an easy job, but because I have a really tight masonry open on the other side that I can't widen, I take my time shimming and adjusting the positioning until everything is perfect. On Tuesday, I'm closing out the week with some mudding and sanding when I come across something unexpected.
Hey guys, so I was just looking at the garage. I'm about ready to paint, right? And I was just looking at all the games and I was like, there's supposed to be a game right here. And there is. I did the thing that drywall contractors do. I put drywall right over a game. So let's see if I can cut that out. Jeez.
That's a wrap for week 216. Until next time, do as I say and not as I do, and happy renovating.